The Crocodile Isle Water Park Bounce brings a vibrant and exciting jungle theme right to your backyard, making it a hit with kids and parents alike. Featuring dual curved slides and a splash area, this inflatable water park ensures hours of cool, wet fun for children as they climb, slide, and splash. The water park is designed with safety in mind, including extra high slide guide rails, a climber with handles and footholds, and a built-in flow restriction to minimize water use. Constructed with commercial-grade vinyl and reinforced polyester Oxford with double and quadruple stitching, the Crocodile Isle is built to withstand countless parties and provide long-lasting entertainment. Setting up the water park is a breeze with the included UL-listed blower, which inflates the structure in minutes, and it can accommodate up to 6 children at once. Blast Zone offers an industry-leading warranty and customer support, ensuring that both the inflatable unit and blower are covered for 1 year, with an additional 2-year promise on the kit.